Hi kids, I'm back to read you another story, but I just realized I forgot a book. Do you think one of you guys can help me in there? Anybody? Can one of you help me? How about anyone over here? Anyone? Can anyone help me? Yes, what is it? Pete! Hi, Pete the cat. How are you today? Where did you come from? There? And then over there? And then that way? And then down there and zigzaggy, wiggy woggy, whooshy. And now you're here. Well, what are you doing here? You brought me a book? It's a book about you? Guess what? I didn't have a book to read. How exciting. Well, maybe we should read this book. What do you think? Do you guys think we should read this book? Yeah? Let's see what you brought us, Pete. Pete the cat? Wait a second. Pete? Pete the cat saves Christmas? Are you kidding me, Pete the cat? It's springtime. It's almost Easter. And you want us to read a book about Christmas? Well, I mean, it is silly right now. Kids aren't in school. Did you know that? That's why we're reading on the video. So I guess we could read this book. I mean, since you came all this way and I don't have a book. Do you think so? Pete the cat saves Christmas. Special thanks, right, Pete, to Scholastic for letting us read this book on video today to all these kids. Well, let's dive in. Pete the cat saves Christmas. 'Twas the day before Christmas, and Santa was ill. In the cold winter wind, he had caught a chill. Will Christmas be canceled? Will it come to that? Never, cried Santa. Let's call Pete the cat. Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all the good girls. Yeah, Pete, I'm a good girl. And to all the good boys. I'll do it, said Pete. And although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. This is a nice bus you have here, Pete. Did you know we have a bus too? We drive it around Tracy and we give out free, brand new books to kids. Any kid can come get a book from us. Even a Pete the Cat book. No, mine's not red. Mine's blue like you, Pete. Should we keep reading? I think so. Pete jumped in his minibus and started to roll. Road trip, called Pete. First stop, the North Pole. Was it cold there? Did you have to wear a hat and some gloves and a scarf and a sweater and a jacket and some boots? Those aren't boots, but those are some pretty cool shoes you got on today, Pete. Let's keep reading, okay? The reindeer were waiting to give Pete a tow. So he packed up the presents and told them, let's go! That way? Let's go! Then the minibus flew, just like in a movie. Pete the cat cried, this is totally groovy. I can do it, said Pete, and although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. As the children were sleeping, all snug in their beds. Oh, Pete, are you sleeping on me? Pete and his reindeer appeared overhead. Straight down the chimney, Pete flew in a dash. and back in his minibus, quick as a flash. Each time he delivered a holiday gift, he crossed off a name written on Santa's list. Finley, check. Avery, check. Addie, check. Brianna, check. Cody, check. Zoe, check. Logan, check. Wow, that's a lot of names. Look at how many names. Santa's list was so big and Pete felt so small. But at Christmas we give, so he gave it his all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. At the very last minute, they reached the last house. Pete dashed in and out just as quiet as a mouse. Pete, you're not a mouse, you're a kitty cat. Silly Pete. Then right at the break of the new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. Wait, Pete, don't really fly away. Come back. We're not done with the story. Okay, a few more pages, Pete. Back at the North Pole, old Santa was waiting. The elves and the townsfolk were all celebrating. Thank you, Pete, it says. Santa was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, "Hip hip hooray for our friend Pete the cat." That's you. "I did it," said Pete, "and although I am small, in the spirit of Christmas, I gave it my all." Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. The end. Well, thank you, Pete, for coming and seeing us today. We really enjoyed having you here, didn't we, guys? Do you think maybe you can come back again and bring us another story about one of your friends or something else? Yeah? Does that sound like a good idea? I think so. All right, guys. Wave goodbye to my friends, Pete. We'll see you next time. Bye.